Alright guys, welcome back. Now we're going to work with collections, which is how Meteor stores data and persists data. So it's pretty cool, fairly simple. We use something called Mongo as our database, and creating a collection is as simple as saying new Mongo collection and then the name of it. So let's go ahead and do that. First we're going to import Mongo into a new file. Notice that here we have import/API/tasks.js. So task.js is the name of the file. And we're going to create a couple new folders, one called imports, one called API. So if you'll notice down here, I've got to-do/import/API/tasks. So let's just paste that. And then we're going to create a new collection. Very simple. Again, we'll just export constant, what do they call it? They just call it tasks. And then we're going to say new Mongo.collection. And the name of it, which is tasks. Okay, pretty cool, pretty easy. Cool. Now we're gonna have to mess around with our file here, but before we do that, we're gonna go into server main.js and import the tasks collection. So make sure you do that. I already did that. We're gonna go here and you import it right there. Okay. So that's not there. That's there. Cool. So to use data inside from a collection inside a React component, we need a couple packages. So Atmosphere is sort of like Meteor's npm. So we're going to install React Meteor data, and it'll let us use create a data container by using a higher order component called create container. So we're going to install that, and then we're also going to install React Meteor or React add-ons pure render mixin, which is another dependency of ours. So we'll take this. Just go down here, paste that. We'll also add React Meteor data, which is where we're going to get create component from. Let's wait till that's done, and we will start up the server again. Everything should be okay, and we're going to change some things in our app component. So let's go into here. We need to add some stuff, so we'll copy paste this. Remember not to delete the task import that we made here of our task component. Also, we are going to basically, I guess they delete the dummy data. And yeah, the dummy data is gone, so let's get rid of that. I guess we don't need this get tasks method either. Delete all of that, okay? Because now the tasks are coming from our task collection. So inside of render task, what we're going to do is say this.props.tasks. Cool. Props.tasks. Now, I'm going in order here of how it's shown, but really we probably should have done this first. Let's copy paste it and then I'll show you what it's doing here. Okay, so let's put that at the bottom. Okay, we'll use prop types too. Forget that, that's a React thing. So, you know what, let's just see what they have to say about it. The wrapped app component fetches from the task collection and supplies them to the underlying app component. It wraps as the tasks prop right here, tasks prop. It does this in a reactive way so that when the contents change, the app re-renders, as we'll see. When you make these changes to the code, you'll notice that the tasks used, the task that used to be in the to-do list disappeared. The dummy data is gone. So we got to put in some tasks. So let's go ahead. So we're going to copy paste this, and we're going to open Meteor Mongo and insert into the database. We're going to insert eat cake. And ultimately, you'll see in our UI, this will show up. So, boom. Whoops, we got a syntax error. What happened? I got one too many characters. Huh, this is very strange. Okay, we're not even in a Meteor. Jesus. We're not even a Meteor. We're not in the Mongo shell, first of all. We're not even in the in a Meteor project. So here we go. This should work. We'll say hello world, and it should insert a new one into the database. Okay, there you go. Right result, inserted one item into the collection. Cool. So in the next section, we're going to move on to forms and events so that we can actually add these from the UI as opposed to just from the console. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you there.